Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post videos related to books. In today's video, I am going to review Dopehari by Pankaj Kapoor. I wanted to read Dopehari after seeing all the hype around it on the social media. And the gorgeous book cover was so enticing that I couldn't resist buying it for my collection. Renowned actor Pankaj Kapoor turns an author with Dopehari, which was originally written in Hindi and now translated into English by Rahul Soni. Pankaj Kapoor performed Dopehari on stage in India and abroad for more than 50 times before it was published as a book. This short novella tells the story of Amma B, a 65-year-old widow who lives in her huge haveli in Lucknow. Her only son is settled abroad and visits once a year. The only ones who check up on her are her house servant Jumman and her late husband's friend Saxena Saab. Some strange occurrences in the haveli on a daily basis is leaving Amma B uncomfortable and scared. The acute pain of loneliness coupled with fear is tearing her apart. Saxena Saab suggests taking in a lodger. Amma B is initially opposed to the idea, but eventually she agrees. And so comes Sabiha in the haveli like a fresh breeze of air. Amma B not only gets a companion but also her lost identity. The story of Amma B reminds us of the countless elderly couple who are abandoned by their children. Some move abroad or to other cities in search of better opportunities, while sadly some consider their parents as a burden. At an age when the old people need the love and support of their family the most, they are sadly left alone to cope with heartbreak and loneliness. The book is a short and sweet read with some heartbreaking moments here and there. The author deftly describes Amma B's loneliness and anguish. With metaphors like an aged car parked in the haveli with weeds growing all over it, the author describes how lonely and deserted Amma B really is. The high point of the book for me is the way Amma B reclaims her life. You can't help but cheer for her resilience. In about 100 pages, the author has written a powerful story which not only talks about the plight of old people who are abandoned by their children, but also of the prejudiced society for whom women has no separate identity than that of their husband. The story of Amma B tells us that it is never too late to believe in oneself and carve your own identity. Now talking of characters, Amma B is a character that I adored. She is lonely, deserted and miserable. But still, she has her own quirks and humor. Her intelligence and resilience shines forth when she rises like a phoenix to reclaim her life. Sabiha represents a modern, intelligent and hardworking woman. Another character who stands out is the house servant Jumman, who wins us over with his simplicity and loyalty to Amma B. Dopehari is full of old world charm. The story is well paced, but I felt that the author has rushed towards the satisfying resolution towards the end. Like a slow melancholic song, this beautiful story touches your heart and stays with you long after you have finished reading it. The writing is simple and yet powerful enough to invoke different emotions. Jumman and Amma B's interactions will bring a smile to your face, while Amma B's longing and loneliness will bring tears to your eyes. This was a lovely read, and I believe that the original book in Hindi would be even better. I just wish the book was a little longer. So this was my review of Dopehari by Pankaj Kapoor. Have you read this book? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.